Hello, hope you are fine. Now I am going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 6, and today's topic is Sinbad and the Coconuts. It's actually a comprehension, and you know the rules of comprehension. First, you have to read the extract properly, what is given, then read the question, what you will get the below, and after that you will try to write the answer or you will try to get the answer. So here this is the story or writing or extract. Let's read it first time. One day a merchant gave me a large bag and advised me to go picking coconuts with some men whom we met in a place much visited by foreign traders. I kept close to the party until we reached the place where the coconuts grew. The trees were so tall that I wondered how we should get the nuts when the man, picking up some stones, threw them at the monkeys, of whom there were many on the branches. These creatures in return pelted us with coconuts, throwing them down so quickly that we soon filled our bags. Day after day, this was done until at length we had enough to fill the ship, which waited for us in the harbor. Then, bidding the friendly merchant goodbye, I went abroad and in due time arrived in Baghdad, none the worse for my adventures. I had done well too with my coconuts, having changed them for pearls and spices in the places at which we had called on the voyage. So after this, also it has taken from the Arabian Nights. You know, this is a great collection of literature. So after that, there are some questions, 6 questions are here, and we have to write this answer. So read first question, what is written. What did one of the merchants give Sinbad to carry the coconuts in? I have discussed already, you have to answer the question according to the tense. So here see, the question is in past tense, here did is written. I will discuss about it tense. I told you as soon as possible I will discuss it. So easy way I will try to discuss with you about the tense. So let's find out the answer. Again read the question. What did one of the merchants give Sinbad to carry the coconuts in? Where we will get it, see. Here, see, one day a merchant gave me a large bag and advised me to go picking coconuts with some men whom we met in place much visited by foreign traders. So here we have found this answer. A merchant gave me a large bag. So we have to write 1 number question answer. We can write here, the merchant gave Sinbad a large bag in which to carry the coconuts. Here see, the question actually told, see, question told what did one of the merchants give Sinbad, but here it's written gave me. I told you before, you have to write the answer according to the question. So you have followed here, you have made it in past tense, and another thing you should keep remember, you should change the persons according to the direction. So here me, but your question asked what did one of the merchants give Sinbad. So that's why according to the question I have written the answer. The merchant gave Sinbad a large bag in which to carry the coconuts. So 2 number is here, see. Why did Sinbad wonder how they would get the coconuts off the trees? So why, see, we know it here it is written, the trees were so tall that I wondered how we should get the nuts when the man picking up some stones threw them at the monkeys, of whom there were many on the branches. But we have found it already. He became wondered because these trees were really tall, so tall. So here it is written so tall. So we have to write the answer according to the question. Read the question again. Why did Sinbad wonder how they would get the coconuts off the trees? So let's write the answer. Here we can write 2 number. Sinbad wondered how they would get the coconuts off the trees because the trees were so tall. Okay. So next one, 3 number we can write C. Explain exactly how the man managed to get the coconuts. Okay. So how we have found, see, actually they played a trick. See here, when the man picking up some stones threw them at the monkeys, of whom there were many on the branches. These creatures in return pelted us with coconuts, throwing them down so quickly that we soon filled our bags. Okay. 3 number we can write in this place. Here we can write the answer. The man managed to trick the monkeys into throwing the coconuts down. The man threw stones monkeys, and the monkeys fought back by throwing coconuts. Okay. Now we will get phone number question. So it is written, when did the man stop collecting coconuts? We know when. These creatures in return pelted us with coconuts, throwing them down so quickly that we soon filled our bags. Day after day this was done until at length we had enough to fill the ship which waited for us in the harbor. So what we can write the answer of phone number right here, phone number answer. We can write the man collected enough coconuts to fill the ship. Okay. 5 number, where did Sinbad's voyage end? Up to which place they went, where? See. Then bidding the friendly merchant goodbye, I went aboard and in due time arrived in Baghdad, none the worse for my adventure. So here they ended their voyage up to Baghdad. So we can write in this place 5 number. Sinbad's voyage ended in Baghdad. Sixth number, in what way had Sinbad done well with his coconuts? Here it is written, I had done well too with my coconuts, having changed them for pearls and spices in the places at which we had called on the voyage. So we have got it. We can write the answer here, sixth number. We can write here, Sinbad had done well, by changing his coconuts for pearls and spices in the places at which he called on the voyage. Okay. Hope you have understood today's comprehension. It's so easy and interesting extract. Next day, I will discuss with you page number 7. There we will find verbs, past tense and past participles. So there actually we are getting tense, and I will take another special class about tense which will help you to understand that topic. Bye for today.